Hi everyone, Official Ma here and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we'll talk about men's relationship, women's psychology, that is understanding the way a human's mind works, coming from a human's perspective, and how to get you your dream girl. If you know this kind of content interests you, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button down below, and with that being done, let's proceed to the video. In today's video, we're going to be speaking about how to gain control over any woman, like absolutely any woman. So if you've lost respect in your relationship, here's an opportunity for you to gain back the respect. Number one, overcome your fear of losing her. Yes, overcome the fear of losing her. Oh, I don't want to lose her, I don't want to lose her. Thereby you keep on tolerating every single thing that she does to you. Overcome the fear of losing her. I'm not trying to say that you should try to treat this person in any way, like anyhow. Train yourself to the point that you're willing to let go as any side of respect. When someone keeps disrespecting you over and over again, and you've talked to the person about it and the person is not willing to change, train yourself to be able to let go. When your woman is disrespecting you, point that she doesn't want to change, like she doesn't see any reason to change, train yourself to let go. Number two, realize that she's not the only woman in the world. Most of you guys have this scarcity mindset. You feel like, oh, I'm not good enough. For the fact this person is dating me, this person is even doing me a favor to date me. Most of you don't see yourself like someone that is good enough. You feel like your partner is doing you a favor dating you. If you're in this category that you feel like your partner is doing you a favor dating you, you're going to keep on tolerating anything that person does to you because you feel like you're not good enough. Make her to realize that you can replace her immediately, like you can replace her with the snap of a finger. So realize that she's not the only woman in the world. There are so many other beautiful women that are willing to treat you good. They are willing to love you for who you are. So don't keep on staying in a place thinking that, okay, the fear of the unknown, if I leave this relationship, who is going to date me? No. If someone keeps on disrespecting you and the person is not willing to change, look at the key word here, willing to change. Sometimes I realize that some people just stay and they feel like people just should read their mind and know what is going on inside their mind. It doesn't work that way. If someone is disrespecting you and you feel like, okay, this thing is getting to me, you can talk to the person about it. Okay, I don't appreciate you calling me names. I don't like you calling me names. There are some people that don't like people calling them names. Talk to her. No, I don't like you calling me names. Things like, oh, they're stupid. No, I don't like it. And she changes. That one is different. If you talk to her about her disrespect and she's not willing to change, make her to realize that she's not the only woman in the world and you can replace her with the snap of a finger. That's why most times I always talk about you improving yourself. So you're going to be a high valued man. When you are a high value man, your woman will not want to misbehave because she knows that there are many fishes in the ocean. This her guy, there are so many girls like that are lining up to submitting applications and to be his girlfriend. She's going to know that and she will not want to misbehave. Takes me to number 3 point. 3, respect yourself. Yes, respect is reciprocal. If you want someone to respect you, you have to respect yourself first. You don't keep on disrespecting yourself, disregarding yourself, saying bad things about yourself, not taking care of yourself, and you expect someone to like treat you good. It doesn't work that way. If you want someone to respect you, you have to respect yourself. If you don't want someone to look down on you, then you don't have to look down on yourself. But when you don't respect yourself, whatever she is, stupid man, you take it, you swallow it. If you don't value yourself, definitely she's not going to respect you. She's not going to value you. Respect yourself, constantly improving yourself. When someone says that, okay, you're respecting yourself, definitely the person will not want to disrespect you. Self-love. This is the key word here, self-love. When you love yourself to some point, there's no way that someone will come and love you less. There's no way someone will come and treat you like a trash when you love yourself enough and you're confident in yourself. There's no way someone will come and treat you anyhow because this person knows that, okay, this person knows himself. He knows himself, he knows his worth. So there's no way that she will come and start treating you like a trash. But when you don't know yourself, you don't know your worth, like anything that someone gives to you, you swallow it, then you're going to open the room for disrespect. When you respect yourself, it's only natural for your girlfriend to respect you back, thereby making it easy for you to lead in your relationship. Number 5, set boundaries. Yes, boundaries are very, very important. There's some things that you should have as a boundaries. Every human being should have their rules. Every human being should have rules and regulation in their life. It's not anything that someone gives to you, you just take it. Let me use the example I used before. My boyfriend don't like to be called names. You can play with me, we can play, we can chat, we can talk for any amount of time, we can talk for hours, but when it comes to name calling, I don't like it. You should know that. Set boundaries. It's not like everything that you just like swallow because you love this person. No. If you love someone and you set boundaries and the person is reasonable enough, the person definitely will stay. But when the person is not reasonable enough and the person wants to use you, that's when the person will say, okay, I'm leaving because of this, because of that. Draw the line. Yes, that's the word. Draw the line. Okay, we can play, we can joke, but when it comes to this, no, I don't appreciate this. when it comes to I don't appreciate this. Set boundaries. Number 6 way to gain control over any woman is to learn to speak up. Most of you guys don't know how to speak up. Like when something is hurting you, you don't know how to speak up. Most of you say, it's not my nature. It doesn't have to be your nature. You can practice make perfect. At first it's not going to be easy, but later on when you keep doing it, it becomes very easy for you. Speak up. I don't like the way you flirt with other guys when I'm there. I don't like you posting other guys when your boyfriend. Don't post other guys unless perhaps it's their birthday or something of that sort. I don't like you posting other guys. I don't like you doing this. I don't. Speak up when something is not like convenient for you. Learn to speak up. Learn to say no. Okay, we are going on a date and this is my budget. I can't exceed this budget. Learn to speak up. It's not every time, okay, for peace to reign. Yes, I know you want peace. I know you're a man of peace. You're not a man of war. You're not a man of violence. But learn to speak up when things are not convenient for you. When things are going haywire, learn to speak up. Because sometimes the other person might not even know that they are hurting you. And if you do that, it's very easy for you to gain control in your relationship. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for to subscribe? Just hit that red button there. Be part of our growing community. I love you guys all and see you in my next video. Cheers.